chewy chocolate chip cookies. Let's make them. In your mixer with the paddle attachment, put 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, firmly packed down so that you get the most out of your brown sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar. Beat those together until they are super, super fluffy and white. I'll show you what they look like after. Don't forget to scrape your bowl down often. This is what it'll look like. 2 eggs. 1. A touch of vanilla. The recipe calls for about a teaspoon. I measure with my heart. Mix together until smooth. 2.5 cups of flour. Straight into the mixer. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix until well blended, then add your chocolate chips. 2 cups of chocolate chips. This is what it'll look like when it's all done. Preheat your oven to 375. While your oven is preheating to 375, you'll scoop out your cookie dough to whatever desired size you want. For myself, I'm using this portion scoop. It is, oh, where's the size? Usually they have the sizes on them. Okay, well, I can't find the size right now, but it's a smaller size that you can get at Superstore. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop probably 9 cookies to this tray and then bake that for about 11 to 14 minutes or until the bottom and the edges of the cookie are golden brown. So the cookies weren't quite done after 11 minutes. I popped them on for another 3. We'll see how it goes after that. So this is what they look like after 14 minutes. In a few minutes, take them off the pan and put them onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Okay, let's give one of these a shot. These cookies are meant to be for a client, but I made some samples up for me and my daughter while my husband is gone because, well, you just have to. Oh, look at that. Oh. Definitely one of the best cookie recipes ever. It comes from a Betty Crocker book that my mom gave me. Or, she gave me the recipe, not the book. So, next time I go visit her, I can try and take a picture, but I do have the recipe written down. So, go follow me on TikTok Notes. You'll find the recipe there for these. They're so good.